What's up, guys? We are in the car with my guy. What's your name again?
Frank.
Frank. So say hi to YouTube, Frank.
Hi, YouTube.
So we're in the car right now. We're on the way to the auction. We're super excited. Got Alexis there in the back. We just landed in New Orleans. It's auction day at the auction as well, so it's probably going to be busy over there. You'll get to see everything. And we will be taking delivery of the 2015 BMW M235i today.
Now $2 grand and a half, 1900 sold, buyer 64. Oh, number 200, Bobby Mack is back. Bobby Mack.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick and this is Boost Life 973. Today we're going to be talking about my brand, new to me, M235i BMW. I love the car so far. I've had it for about, two weeks now. I actually drove it back from a Mannheim auction in New Orleans. And I drove it back to New Jersey. We're 1,500 miles, and it was a phenomenal car. I had no problems, and I really enjoyed the car, and I really like it. It's a rear-wheel drive, 6-speed manual. Let me show you the engine. You have to click that twice, and it will open the engine compartment. And so, as you can see, a 6-cylinder, single twin scroll turbo. It's a phenomenal car. The engine, sounds great, and it's a nice M Performance engine. Then the previous owner did black out these grills right here. Right around here they used to be silver, but now they are all black. So I think the front end, it looks pretty good. I have to admit, it's definitely not bad. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Nick. And today is a very special video that I'm going to be showing you guys today. I sold my Audi. I got a phenomenal car. I got a great car that I think will make some good content for the channel. And I've always wanted to get one of these cars, and they finally dropped in value, and I was able to afford it. And it's been a car I've wanted for a long time. It's a 6-speed manual transmission, and those cars are going out of style now, and everyone is opting for the automatic because a computer can shift faster than any human can. But I still believe that the manual is a better car for this car, even though the 8-speed automatic transmission is faster. This car is a much better car with the manual gearbox. You just have a lot more control of the car. It feels better, I like shifting gears. This is a phenomenal car. I've had it for about a week now. I picked it up from BMW. I picked it up from a Mannheim auction, and I am from New Jersey, and I traveled all the way to New Orleans to pick this car up. And it is an M235i with 45,000 miles. It's a 6-speed manual. It is fully loaded. It has 47,000 miles on it, and it's it's a phenomenal car. It has a good amount of power. It has a good amount of torque. It has the Harman Kardon sound system. So yeah, it has the Harman Kardon sound system. It has the sport gauges. It's the 6-speed manual transmission. It has the, you know, blue brake calipers, the M Performance brake calipers, if you want to check those out. It has the M wheels. It has an M steering wheel. And, you know, so the car's, you know, a ton of fun. I'll show you the trunk space. Not bad. Doesn't come with a spare tire. The battery's in the back here. And these do come with run flats, and so that is why they do not come with a spare tire, but I highly recommend getting rid of those run flats and getting a better tire. Currently we have some Michelin Pilot Super. So we currently have some Michelin Pilot Super Sports on the car, and they are a much better feel than the run flats that the car comes with. So it's a black exterior, black interior, and it's obviously the 6-speed manual transmission. It's a very, you know, beautiful and nice car. I definitely can't complain. You know, I love it. The only modifications I've done so far are the tinted windows. As you can see, and since it's a black car, you know, just it makes it you know, look clean and good all around with tints. So I went with 20%, the 20% option, and it looks phenomenal. One little thing that I really do like about these cars is that, you know, it's so simple, but I just really love it for some reason. And so if you press this button right here, this guy right here, the mirrors are just gonna fold back up, both of them. And that's just super convenient for when I'm parking and whatnot, and so nobody knocks off my mirror. You know, just like those little subtle touches, I really, really like them. So it has the M, you know, M shifter. It has the M steering wheel, and this does come with this does have the Harman Kardon premium sound system. It has the navigation, which is pretty cool. BMW navigation is you know pretty up to date. And another thing I like about this car is that it has the sport gauges. So if you go to menu, you're going to go to vehicle info, you're going to go to sport displays, and it actually shows you the power and torque of every single pull that you do, which is super, super, super cool. So I'm going to step on the accelerator right now, and you guys are going to see that it's actually going to measure how much power and torque I'm currently putting out. So, you know, just under 100 horsepower and over 100 feet-pounds of torque, but, you know, that was a very, you know, little acceleration boost. And, you know, this car is phenomenal. One thing that I don't like too much about it is that there's a ton of road noise. You know, the car is very noisy inside the cabin, and I'm not sure what causes that, but compared to my Audi A4, this car is a lot noisier in the cabin, and you have to keep the volume higher, you know, to hear, you know, the radio or whatever you're, you know, listening to. It does have 2 back seats back here, and you're not gonna fit, you know, a tall adult, but, you know, you can fit you know, your kids, or, you know, anyone who's, you know, 5'5" or under, you know, they'll fit pretty comfortably back there. So it's a 4-seater car. It has the, you know, leather seats, of course. And also another cool thing about it is that it has the 4 different modes right here. You can put it in Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Eco. City views. Yeah, this is gonna beep.
clutch feels real good.
Yeah, right. It's fine. They said it needed to be replaced.
It's crazy, man.
Right. Yeah. See how crazy it is? That's why it's so fucking so nimble. Yeah. See, you almost spun that shit out just there.
There's too many rocks here.
Chill. So nimble, bro. You're not even touching the RPMs, you know?
Yeah, I know.
Just back it in. Rearrange it. I just want to go slow for this. Up and over.
Up and over?
Yeah.
Interesting. Is there a camera on this? Oh, wow.
Yeah, but never trust the camera.
But it helps with what's
Oh
immediately
yeah,
happening.
definitely. Hell yeah, I'll tell you if you're about to hit something, because they'll start beeping on the sensors, and it tells you where you're projected to go and shit.
It's cool, man.
Yeah, it's gonna sound.
This dash board is mad nice.
Yeah, it's gonna. Yeah. With the technology package plus, it comes with that whole dash thing and the speed limit sign. It tells you the speed limit, and when the speed limit changes, it changes on there like that. Like the second it changes on the road, it'll change on that. So you know the speed limit at all times without even having to look. Nice. And press the button to put the mirrors in. Right there. Fire.
Yeah.
So you're never gonna lose a mirror ever in your life, because it's that easy. You never have to put them up.
Convenient.
Yeah, that's the parking.
Definitely want to drive it again.
Yeah. One other thing I don't like about this car is that it doesn't show you the speed digitally, which is kind of odd for a car like this. And sometimes it's nice to be able to see your speed without having look down. It also doesn't have the heads-up display, so that's a little bit annoying. But nothing too major.